The Porsche 992 GT3 RS, already a performance powerhouse, just got even more extreme with the introduction of the Manthey Racing kit. Known for pushing the boundaries of track-focused upgrades, Manthey Racing has made some serious tweaks to this already incredible machine, particularly when it comes to aerodynamics and handling. The result is a track weapon capable of producing over 1,000 kilograms of downforce at 177 miles per hour, more than some hypercars, like the McLaren P1, which produces around 600 kilograms at 161 miles per hour. So, how does Manthey Racing achieve this mind-boggling increase in downforce? The modifications start with a much larger front splitter, reinforced for added strength. This splitter is complemented by gurney flaps and dive planes around the front bumper, which work together to enhance airflow and stability at high speeds. The rear of the GT3 RS is even more dramatic. It features a carbon shark fin inspired by Porsche's endurance racing car, the 963, replacing the rear window altogether with a lighter carbon panel. This shark fin not only provides downforce but also improves the vehicle's stability at speed. The roof of the car has been modified with an additional 6 guiding fins that help manage air intake and cooling. Meanwhile, the rear end is dominated by a huge, adjustable rear wing, which also contributes significantly to the car's downforce. With these modifications, the Manthey GT3 RS becomes a track-focused monster, designed to tear through corners with unmatched precision. To ensure the car can handle such massive downforce, Manthey has also upgraded the suspension. The coilovers now have stiffer spring rates, which improve cornering stability. The suspension system is semi-active, constantly adjusting to the car's needs in real time, based on data from various sensors. For braking, the Manthey kit offers enhanced steel-sheathed brake lines and optional racing brake pads, which help prevent fade during intense track sessions. In terms of performance, the Manthey Racing kit dramatically reduces lap times compared to the stock GT3 RS. While the weather conditions have prevented official lap times from being recorded at Nürburgring, Manthey has stated that the improvements are substantial. The increased downforce and enhanced handling make it a true track weapon. However, these upgrades come with a hefty price tag. The Manthey kit costs £99,999, which is over half the base price of the 992 GT3 RS. While some enthusiasts may balk at the price, those seeking the ultimate track performance may find it worth the investment. The kit is available through Porsche dealerships, and for those lucky enough to own a 992 GT3 RS, it offers a whole new level of performance.